Well, here we have good-looking family motoring in a car that will not disappoint when you're behind the wheel. A Ford Mondeo, roomy, practical, very good to drive, and the 1.8 diesel engine in this car is a very nice performer. Not going to break the bank to run, which is good news. Now, this comes from 2008, and it's covered about 38,500, maybe 40,000 miles, something like that. Hardly anything really for its year. In a nice shade of grey. Get inside, you've got a very smart cabin, roomy and comfortable. Cloth seats there, remote central locking. You've got climate control, cruise control, so you can take it nice and easy on those longer journeys. And on the move, you can expect about 49 to the gallon. I think maybe a bit more if you're doing a motorway run. 6 months road fund is just under £100. Why not ring and reserve? We'll hold this car for you for up to 48 hours until you can get here with no obligation and no deposit. Come and discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.